हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू नीट बडी। अगर आप हमारा चैनल रेगुलरली फॉलो कर रहे होंगे तो आपको पता चला होगा पिछले 21 डेज से हम लोग यहाँ पे डेली बायोलॉजी एमसीक्यू सीरीज चला रहे हैं और आज हम इस सीरीज में क्लास 11th के लास्ट चैप्टर तक पहुंच चुके हैं और कल से हम क्लास 12th के एमसीक्यूज आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे। ये सीरीज आपकी नीट की प्रिपरेशन के लिए काफी ज्यादा हेल्पफुल होगी। एक बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा प्रैक्टिस ये सीरीज आपको प्रोवाइड करेगी और जितना ज्यादा आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे आपकी परफॉर्मेंस नीट एग्जाम में उतनी ही इम्प्रूव होगी। अभी हम थोड़े इजियर क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं। जैसे जैसे हम इस सीरीज में आगे बढ़ेंगे, जब 12th के बाद वापस 11th के चैप्टर्स में आएंगे तो डिफिकल्टी लेवल हम इन चैप्टर्स के क्वेश्चंस का थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज करेंगे। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द एमसीक्यूज फॉर टुडे। Question number 1. Sella turcica contains adenohypophysis, neurohypophysis, hypothalamus, or both A and B. That is adenohypophysis and neurohypophysis. Sella turcica contains. The correct answer is option D. That is, it contains both adenohypophysis and neurohypophysis. That is, it contains the pituitary gland. Question 2. Which of the following is not secreted by adenohypophysis? GHRH, thyroid stimulating hormone or TSH, ACTH, FSH. Which of the following is not secreted by adenohypophysis? The correct answer is option A. GHRH, which is growth hormone releasing hormone. It is a hypothalamic hormone. It is released by hypothalamus that acts on adenohypophysis and carries out release of growth hormone, which is GH. What is adenohypophysis? Anterior pituitary is called as adenohypophysis. Question 3. Pineal gland secretes melanin, melatonin, MSH, none of these. Pineal gland secretes. The correct answer is option B. Melatonin is secreted by pineal gland. Question 4. Parathyroid gland is located on which surface of thyroid? Ventral, dorsal, lateral, or inferior? Which surface of thyroid contains the parathyroid glands? The correct answer is option B. The dorsal surface of thyroid contains the parathyroid glands. Question 5. Mark the incorrect statement. T3 is secreted in greater amount than T4. T3 is more active than T4. Both T3 and T4 are secreted by thyroid gland. T4 is also known as thyroxine. Select the incorrect statement. And the answer is option B. T3 is more active than T4. That's incorrect. T4 is more active than T3. However, remember, although T4 is more active than T3, T3 is secreted in greater amount. This T3 gets converted into T4 in the peripheral regions, and T4 is the form in which the thyroxine hormone acts. Question 6. Role of parathyroid hormone is decrease bone resorption, decrease reabsorption of calcium in renal tubules, increase calcium absorption in GIT, decrease calcium level in blood. Role of parathyroid hormone is. The correct answer is option C, that is increase calcium absorption in GIT. Parathyroid hormone is a hypercalcemic hormone, that is, it increases the amount of calcium in blood. Bone resorption is release of calcium from bones. So decrease of bone resorption is wrong. Parathyroid hormone increases bone resorption. It increases reabsorption of calcium from renal tubules and it increases the blood calcium level. So A, B and D are incorrect. C is the correct answer. Question 7. Correct arrangement of the layer of adrenal cortex from inner to outer is reticularis, fasciculata, glomerulosa, glomerulosa, fasciculatus, reticularis, fasciculata, reticularis, glomerulosa, or reticularis, glomerulosa, fasciculatus. The correct arrangement of layer of adrenal cortex from inner to outer layer is. Answer is option A. Reticularis fasciculata, glomerulosa. Guys, a trick to remember this is remember the layers of adrenal cortex from outside to inside, GFR. Outside to inside is glomerulosa fascicularis reticularis, GFR. So the answer of this question, since it is asking from inside to outside, would be just reverse of this mnemonic. GFR का उल्टा RFG, that is reticularis fasciculata glomerulosa, option A. So the layers of adrenal cortex, how to remember it? Outside to inside, GFR, glomerulosa fasciculata reticularis. Which of the following is not a function of glucocorticoid? Increases gluconeogenesis, increases proteolysis, increases lipolysis, increases uptake of amino acid by cells. Not a function of glucocorticoid. The correct answer is option D. Increases uptake of amino acid by cells. It's not a function of glucocorticoid. Question 9. Which of following is not a peptide hormone? Glucagon, ANF, gastrin, epinephrine. Which of the following is not a peptide hormone? And the correct answer is epinephrine. Epinephrine is an amino acid derivative, but it is not a peptide hormone. Glucagon is secreted by which cells of islet of Langerhans? Alpha cells, beta cells, gamma cells, or delta cells? Glucagon is secreted by. The correct answer is option A. Alpha cells of islets of Langerhans secrete glucagon. Beta cells of islets of Langerhans secretes very important hormone. Right, insulin. Insulin is secreted by beta cells of islets of Langerhans. Question number 11. Which one of the following hormones, though synthesized elsewhere, stored and released by the master gland? Melanocyte stimulating hormone, antidiuretic hormone, luteinizing hormone, or prolactin? Hormone synthesized elsewhere, stored and released by the master gland. The correct answer is option B, that is antidiuretic hormone. Now to answer such question, you need to know what the master gland actually is. Pituitary is also referred to as master gland because it secretes most of the stimulating hormones. So the question is asking which is the hormone synthesized elsewhere but is stored and released by pituitary. Now if you have studied this chapter well, pituitary has two parts, anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary releases 6 hormones and posterior pituitary releases 2 hormones, and of these 2 hormones both are synthesized by hypothalamus but are released by pituitary, and these are oxytocin and vasopressin or antidiuretic hormone. So antidiuretic hormone is synthesized by hypothalamus but released and stored by the master gland, that is pituitary. 12. A health disorder that results from deficiency of thyroxine in adults and characterized by a low metabolic rate, increase in body weight, tendency to retain water in tissues is simple goiter, myxedema, cretinism, hypothyroidism. Health disorder that results from deficiency of thyroxine in adults. The correct answer is option B, myxedema. Question number 13. Toxic agents present in food which interfere with thyroxine synthesis leads to development of toxic goiter, cretinism, simple goiter, or thyrotoxicosis. The correct answer is option C, simple goiter. Question number 14. In human adult females, oxytocin causes strong uterine contractions during parturition, is secreted by anterior pituitary, stimulates growth of mammary gland, or stimulates pituitary to secrete vasopressin. Which of the following is function of oxytocin in human adult females? The correct answer is option A. It causes strong uterine contraction during parturition. Number 15. Which of the following pairs of organs includes only the endocrine glands? Adrenal ovary, parathyroid adrenal, pancreas, parathyroid, thymus, testis, pair of organs which are only endocrine, not mixed, not exo, only endocrine glands. Correct answer is option B, parathyroid and adrenal. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the first chapter of class 12th NCERT Biology, Reproduction in Organism. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful. And if you're new out here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.